Your continued support of the Coin Series channel is much appreciated. The bigger crypto industry is following Bitcoin's example. Volumes of Bitcoin ETFs have been soaring, and a halving is approaching, according to a post by Brad Garlinghouse, who has gone through multiple cycles of the cryptocurrency market. It is absolutely essential that real-world implementations accompany this optimism. The real and unstoppable progress is that. The most entertaining aspect is that this is essentially the home of Brad Garland, who has been connected with the place since its inception. Plus, it was written by someone who was present when the internet was at its peak. He knows full well that we'll end up using the same strategy as the calm bubble, doesn't he? The regulatory framework collapsed or the bubble fell as predicted after there was a lot of hype about incompetent initiatives and firms. True.com players like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft were left in the dust. Looking back, it seems like we're living through another dot-com boom. Except this time, crypto technology and crypto firms like Ripple are the engine that drives everything. Also, XRP has its uses in that area. Q&T Casper, among others, enter the picture when the H-bar is at stake. Almost everyone has had this similar conversation with these projects. In my view, there is genuine value in the practicalities, but if it's upbeat and helpful, everyone goes, "Oh, great! The price hasn't changed." Why is that? While there has been some improvement in practicality, we are still not in a utility-driven bull market, are we? Upward momentum in the Bitcoin market shows no signs of abating. It seems even Brad thinks we should follow Bitcoin's lead right now, but that will change when the moment is right. When is the expected change date? There is no clue. Still, it's bound to happen. It will proceed unimpeded. Kraken Exchange and Brad Garlinghouse are among the many who have noticed and responded to this post. The latter group genuinely thinks it's fantastic. But XRP is more than that when we look into it. Listen up, folks! XRP recently went through a major change. Oh, it's not that big. The inevitable response will come from everyone else. Nothing major has happened here. Despite my warnings, we have held on to the 58.65 barrier. So this is a major shift. The market will swiftly turn bearish if we fall below it, and we might see 55 cents or 52 cents again in the future. We were able to keep control and surpass the weekly trend line beginning in July 2023. We are currently 25% higher than when we got the news that XRP isn't a security. Just this candle brought roughly a 30% increase to its peak. We were on the verge of defeating my 75-cent aim. Though, we should be vigilant in watching this region for a significant breakout. 92 cents is within reach if we can overcome the 75-cent zone. In the event that it is broken, we will be watching for a huge candle that resembles the one up there. So, just this one adjustment would amount to a 20% plus shift. If the price were to break over 92 cents, which would constitute a macro barrier, it would effectively pave the stage for a return to the 2021 highs. This will also put us up for a record-breaking performance, but I have been talking about this for a while in regards to XRP. In fact, I published an article regarding it where I made it clear that I think XRP is going to go through a profound change. The crux of my recent videos is my belief on what XRP will do to make up for the opportunity missed in 2021. Remember that we are still on the cusp of $2 delisted from all major exchanges, in the thick of a lawsuit, and with the most negative outlook on cryptocurrencies imaginable. I would be surprised if we saw more than $5 or $10, but that's just my personal expectation. Take advantage of this bull market to reward yourself by cashing in on your gains. Because we are dealing with regulations, I anticipate that things will become more challenging from this point forward. There is no way to tell what the market will do next. You guys, we might be in for a bear market until the year 2345. Perhaps the longest cryptocurrency market slump ever might occur at this time. Make sure you're paying yourself this cycle. Taking profits doesn't mean you have to sell the entire bag. Keep a moon bag handy at all times. The real action will start with XRP when its utility is a concern, whatever that may be. Plus, I think we're getting close. In my mind, we seem to be getting closer and closer by the second. However, why is XRP acting this way? Could it be that we were trapped between the two trend lines in this wedge, and nothing else? Then I'm sorry, but you're wrong. Can you remember what I said in that video? In terms of the XRP dominance chart, I was expecting we would stay around this level for a long. We started to break out, and now we're trying to cross over to the next level. At any moment, I suggested that we take a little break. This will continue to move regardless of how we invert the level. Above this one, at a rate of about 1.72%, lies the following area. After then, the XRP dominance chart will likely see a large increase, aiming for 92% or 92% plus cents. The USD pair will also be set on a trajectory. Then things will start looking up for XRP. Your time is greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video and would want to subscribe to our channel, please hit that subscribe button. Until then, farewell.